There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
You don't want to touch any metal, but you're playing with all my metal pieces. Come here. Give me these things. Hold that. Dingleberry. Give me these. Grab the magnet.
The magnet?
Yeah.
Why you don't let go?
Gotta clean up this mess here.
I need to grab this.
Hold on. You don't need to do anything. Move. 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 Got brats in the way. Shit, this thing's full. My trash bin is full. What are you doing with that?
Putting it on the floor.
Put it on the floor, huh? On the floor. Yeah. I'm just deburring this. I'm gonna try to make the other three fingers. You want metal to bend? Hold on. Where can we find bendy metal? You can bend this if you want. Just be careful.
But it could be shards.
It could be sharp. Let me cut little pieces up for you. Here, wait. Miss. Are you eating all my garage gum?
No.
You want a little square or a big square?
Little squares.
Grab this piece. Hold that. Watch your hands. There we go. You know what? I'll use a shear for this. Let's turn this off. Turn this off for now, because
Hello.
we're not done for this fall.